we start the program? Great. So formally, children, a very good and warm morning to everyone assembled here. I am Shalini Dabde, and along with my co-host, Miss Soumya, Miss Kanchan, Miss Swati, and Miss Sufia, we all welcome you on behalf of the entire team of Sunbeam Academy to this great event of the Shera celebration. Well, before I start the program, let me just acknowledge some of our eminent guests today we have with us. We have our beloved director ma'am with us, HR head, Mr. Rohan Madhok, and Miss Saloni ma'am, Principal, Sunbeam Academy, Samle Ghat, Mr. K.K. Panda. Principal, Sunbeam Academy, Knowledge Park, Mr. Anjani Srivastav. Headmistress, Sunbeam Academy, Sarai Nandan, Miss Supriya Srivastav. Headmistress, Headmistress, Sunbeam Academy, Knowledge Park, Miss Kanchan Singh. Senior Coordinator, Sunbeam Academy, Samle Ghat, Miss Nagma. Admin Head, Sunbeam Academy, Durgakund, Mr. Kumar Martand. And also we have with us Miss Suvidha. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for lending your precious time with us to grace the event. It's my privilege to welcome all of you. Once again, I welcome all my eminent guests, teachers, all the members, and of course, my dear little students. Well, children, we have been celebrating this event every year in the school, right? By organizing cultural programs, events. और आप सब ने भी part लिया ही होगा कोई ना कोई cultural event में, dance में, program में, right? But children, indeed, this is the very first time we are using an online platform to, celebrate the Dashera event, which only and only proves one thing. That is, nothing is impossible if we wish to. बच्चों, एक बात हमेशा याद रखिए, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Well, children, it's a mark of our tradition to evoke the God before we start any program. Well, before this, I just remember one of this thought that was said by one of the philosopher. The function of any prayer is not to influence the God, but rather it's the change of the nature that the one who can bring in us. So with this, I would like to call Swati ma'am to begin the prayer for us. Over to you, Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am, if I'm audible to you, can you begin the prayer for us to evoke our Almighty?
Thank you, Shalini ma'am. So students, I request everyone to join your hands so that I can start the Ganesh mantra. हम गणेश मंत्र से शुरू करेंगे अपने प्रोग्राम को, जिससे कि लॉर्ड गणेशा की ब्लेसिंग्स मिले और ये प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छे स्मूथली चले. Okay, so I request everyone to join their hands and let's pray to God first. Okay, I think everyone is ready, so let's begin. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. शंखनाद से किसी भी पवित्र और पूजनीय चीजों का शुरुआत होता है, तो चलिए इस प्रोग्राम की भी शुरुआत शंखनाद से करते हैं. बिल्कुल. Now, Soumya ma'am is going to carry on the program. I just hand over to her.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have wonderful performance from Bhavya. Bhavya is of class 2. She is going to perform on Ganesh Vandana. So I'm going to share the screen, students. Enjoy the program. What a perfect.
Wonderful performance by Bhavya. Give a big round of applause for her, everyone. Yes, Talin, now you all are eager, na? At very first, I will call Arnav Bhatt Hanuman ji. Screen ही तोड़ डालेंगे, इतना eagerly is ready to perform. Okay, Arnav, your teacher will unmute you. Then you unmute yourself and give your performance. Arnav Bhatt.
Good morning and Jai Hind. Myself of class 1B from Sambhim Academy सामने घाट. मैं लक्ष्मी जी बनी हूँ. माता लक्ष्मी धर्म की प्रमुख देवी हैं. माता लक्ष्मी दीपावली के दिन माता लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा भगवान गणेश जी के साथ होती है. माता लक्ष्मी भगवान विष्णु जी की पत्नी है. माता लक्ष्मी धन की देवी है. थैंक यू.
Very good.
Very good.
नमस्कार आप सबको. मैं शांभवी मिश्रा क्लास 1 की स्टूडेंट दुर्गा कवचम की कुछ लाइनें प्रस्तुत करती हूँ. प्रथमं शैलपुत्रिका, द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी, तृतीयं चंद्रघंटेति, कुष्मांडेति चतुर्थकम्, पंचमं स्कंधमातेति, षष्ठं कात्यायनीति च, सप्तमं कालरात्रिश्च महागौरी इति च अष्टमम्, नवमं सिद्धरात्रि च, नवदुर्गा पतिर्थिता, उत्तानि तानि नामानि ब्रह्मणेव महात्मने. हैप्पी.
Fantastic.
Very nice. Well done, very
nice.
good.
Very nice, Shambhavi.
Very nice.
Now, Akshay Kumar Gupta. Please unmute Akshay Kumar Gupta.
कृष्ण हूँ. मैं श्री कृष्ण हूँ. मैं भगवान विष्णु का 8वां अवतार हूँ. थैंक यू मैम.
Very good, Akshay. Very good.
Bharadwaj. Amodita Bharadwaj. Yes, give your performance, dear.
मैं आधा नहीं हूँ।
Yeah, Modita beta, you can start.
Yes, Amodita.
मैं आधा रानी बनी हूँ।
बहुत बढ़िया, very good Amodita. Start.
Very
Start.
good.
बहुत अच्छा.
Very good.
Amodita, very nice.
Going to welcome next 5 students for their performance. Okay, Ashutosh, are you ready? Ashutosh Pandey. Now Ashutosh Pandey is going to perform for us. Beta, unmute yourself. Yes.
अगर पंडे आ गया और मैं चला रही वीडियो।
Yes, beta. What you are dressed up? What role you are playing?
कृष्ण हूँ।
Very good. Huh?
भगवान विष्णु का आठवां अवतार।
Very nice.
Very good, beta. So let's move now. Next contestant is Siddhi Verma. Unmute yourself, beta. Siddhi Verma.
मेरा नंबर आया तो मैं दुर्गा हूँ। मेरा नंबर मेरा पड़ा है। बोलो बोलो। मैं दुर्गा हूँ। बोलो याद है।
Very nice.
या
Siddhi.
देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपे संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो।
Very good
Very good,
performance,
Siddhi.
Siddhi. Very good.
ज्ञान देने वाली सरस्वती मैं सुख समृद्धि देने वाली लक्ष्मी मेरा है। शक्ति देने वाली दुर्गा सबका संहार करने वाली काली मैं आप सभी के गलों में हूँ। मैं बेटी हूँ बहन और ममता मई माँ भी हूँ। जिस घर में मेरा मान सम्मान उस घर में हूँ मैं सिद्धि हूँ।
Well done,
Very
Siddhi.
good.
You have just given the
Very
meaning
good.
of your name. Very good.
Right.
Aradhya, next
Just clap for
performance.
Siddhi, beta.
Unmute yourself, beta. Yes. I hope you are ready. Fine.
Students, listen carefully. When you are performing, then only you have to unmute. जब आपकी performance आएगी तभी आप unmute करोगे. Otherwise, you have to mute yourself. Okay? अपने mic के button को click करो so that you can close that.
बेटा आपका performance हो जाए तो you can put your video also. Okay? So that we will understand.
Yes, it's a
Puneet,
great
you
idea.
can start, beta. Puneet. Next, Prasiddhi, you can start, beta. Prasiddhi Rai.
Okay, Prasiddhi.
Very good. Wonderful.
Now, Prasiddhi, please start, beta. Prasiddhi Rai.
Good morning, my name is Prasiddhi Rai, class first B. मैं दुर्गा बनी हूँ। माँ दुर्गा शक्ति है। I love to eat माखन का संहार करती है। माँ दुर्गा
Very good.
What a wonderful performance, beta. Very good.
Very good.
Now, next we can have Arush Pandey from Samne Ghat. Arush Pandey from Samne Ghat, beta. Start your play. After Arush Pandey, Advik Sisodia will play. Advik Sisodia from Durga Kund. After Arush. Advik not now, beta. After Arush Pandey.
यशनी जी
आई पे दिखेगी भगवान बनाओ मैं कृष्ण भगवान
Very good,
आई
very
पे
good,
केक बना
very nice.
Okay.
Now, Soumya ma'am, can you just call up the names of 5 more children?
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so who is ready? We see Shreya Mishra from Durgapur. Just start performance. And unmute yourself, beta. Shreya Mishra from Durgapur. I can see her. She's ready. Okay. Yes. Very nice, Shreya. Start.
Good morning, teacher and friend. पता क्या होगा? My name is Shreya Mishra. I am Radha. Krishna is my best friend. Krishna, oh Krishna, Krishna,
Very nice.
Krishna, where are you?
So
Very nice.
मैंने कुछ नहीं बना.
No
कोई बात
problem.
नहीं,
Fine,
दिव्यांश. दिव्यांश, हैप्पी दशहरा आप बोल सकते हैं सबको, कोई बात नहीं.
Happy Dasara, ma'am.
Same to you, my dear Divyansh Singh. Now, please mute yourself.
मैम मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ.
Okay,
Okay,
fine. We
चलो
will.
चलो, sure, जल्दी से बोलो बेटा, जल्दी से.
बोलो.
हम 9 दिन माता रानी का पूजा करते हैं. माता रानी ने महिषासुर राक्षस का वध की, इसीलिए हम लोग नवरात्रि मनाते, दशहरा के दिन मनाते हैं.
Very good,
Very good.
very good,
Very
very
good.
good. Divyansh, now mute yourself, beta. Now I am going to call few more participants. Okay, Aradhya Singh from DKD. Aradhya Singh from DKD, please start your performance.
मेरा नाम आरव मिश्रा है. मैं राम का अभिनय कर रहा हूँ.
Very good.
Yes, beta. Continue.
Very good.
जीतने वाले जमीन पे नहीं बैठते भरत. आज रात सारे प्रेम के सामने हार गया. जो राज्य तुम मुझे देने आए हो, मैं उसे स्वीकार करता हूँ.
Very good.
का वचन झूठा ना हो, इसलिए मेरी तुमसे प्रार्थना है कि 14 वर्ष तक तुम्हें इस राजभाग को संभालो.
Very nice. Great. Wonderful.
यही
Now, yes, Swati ma'am.
यही प्रेम होना चाहिए बच्चों आपके सिबलिंग्स के साथ, आपके भाई बहन में देखिए
Right.
भारत यही सीख
Very truly
रामायण
said.
का।
Very truly said, Swati ma'am. हमारे सब में, हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स में प्यार और एक दूसरे के लिए केयर होना बहुत जरूरी है. ये त्योहार हमें यही सिखाता है. Now, can we have next participant, Shreyansh Saptarishi? Shreyansh Saptarishi, if you are ready, beta, please start your performance. First, you unmute yourself.
And Arav, mute yourself.
मैं अपनी मम्मी महिला का खाना हूँ. मुझे माखन खाना बहुत पसंद है. थैंक यू.
Very
बहुत
nice.
बढ़िया, नटखट good.
Okay. Swati ma'am and Kancha ma'am, if can you
Yes.
call some names of the participants, those who are left?
Okay.
Uh,
Puneet, you have
Let us
done
find
something?
out.
yes,
Yes,
please.
Abhinav Srivastav is left. Abhinav Srivastav.
Abhinav,
Yes. Abhinav Srivastav.
Abhinav Srivastav, beta, unmute yourself.
Click on mic button. Good.
Abhinav, start beta.
Abhinav, unmute yourself. हाँ.
कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण गाऊं. ये रामायण है ये जन्मभूमि है अयोध्या श्री राम की।
Very nice.
Very good.
Very nice. Very good. Very good. Now
Very
can we
well
have
done, beta.
next performance by Kritik Kumar Singh. Kritik, the stage
Yes,
is
Kritik,
yours.
yes.
Please unmute
Perform.
yourself.
Kritik, unmute beta, Krishna ji. प्यारा से कृष्ण जी।
मैं कृति कुमार सिंह मैं कृष्ण जी बना हूँ। कृष्ण जी का जन्म मथुरा में हुआ था। उनके माता का नाम देवकी था, उनके पिता का नाम वासुदेव था।
Very good.
Very
Now I
nice.
think Krishnakant is ready to perform, I think. Krishnakant, are you going
Okay,
to
ma'am.
perform?
Yeah. Rock the stage, Krishnakant.
Just unmute. He is already unmuted. Start better.
Children, now who all
There's some
are left?
technical.
जिनका अभी तक परफॉर्मेंस नहीं हुआ है, बेटा चैट बॉक्स में बस सिर्फ अपना नेम लिखिए।
अपना नाम लिख दो, we will call you.
ठीक है, जिसका परफॉर्मेंस, जिसको अभी तक टर्न नहीं मिला है, those who haven't got the turn yet, just in the chat box write your name, type your name.
Vidushi Singh, Knowledge Park, you have done your performance. Vidushi Singh.
She has done. She has done, ma'am.
Okay, Amodita Bharadwaj has wished everyone happy birthday. Amodita, is it your birthday?
I think so. Maybe.
If it's your birthday, Amodita, we wish all a very happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Amodita.
Okay, Garima Gupta is left.
Garima. Yes,
Gupta.
Garima Gupta.
Garima Gupta, better start your performance by unmuting yourself. बेटा unmute yourself first. You want to say something? आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? Unmute करिए पहले अपने आप को.
Yes. Better.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Start your
Good
performance.
morning, beta. Start, beta.
I am Garima Gupta, Knowledge Park.
Very good, Garima. Start, Pita. You want to continue? Please continue, Garima. कोई बात नहीं गरिमा, आप सबको हैप्पी दशहरा विश कर सकते हैं. यू आर लुकिंग सो क्यूट. चलो चलो जल्दी से सबको हैप्पी दशहरा विश करो.
See you friends, beta.
Ayushman Prajapati, do you want to speak something? Show your thumb if you want to speak. Ayushman Prajapati. Yes, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Unmute yourself.
First unmute, beta. Ayushman.
Now you can speak up, beta. Happy Dashera to you, beta.
Happy Dashera, Ayushman.
Okay, now can we have Krishnakant Srivastava? He wants to say something, I guess. Krishnakant,
But
in the chat box he has written, Krishnakant Srivastava, if you want to say something, please unmute yourself fast.
Happy Dashera, ma'am.
Happy Dashera.
Happy
Now
Dashera.
next, Aradhya Singh. Aradhya Singh from Durgakund. Aradhya Singh from Durgakund. Once again, I'm calling your name. If you are left with your performance, immediately just unmute yourself and start your performance. Aradhya Singh from Durgakund. Okay, I guess Aradhya is not yet ready. Can we have the next one? Advik Susodia
No,
from
she's ready.
Durgakund.
She's about to start.
Okay, okay ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
बोलोगी मैम
We
मेरी
will
वॉइस
wait.
Yes, Aradhya.
Yes, yes, we can hear you, beta.
Good morning, Jai all teacher. My name is Radha Singh. Lakshmi is God. Hindu pray to Diwali festival in India.
Very good, very good,
Very
Aradhya.
good.
Give a clap.
Good,
Now,
Aradhya.
can we have Janvi Pandya? Janvi Pandya, Janvi Pandya, better start your performance.
तेज बोलो कुमारी मैम
Okay, ma'am, she has written in the chat box, Prasiddhi Rai, ma'am, मेरा नहीं हुआ.
Okay, Prasiddhi, you can start then.
Start, beta.
Prasiddhi, unmute yourself.
मेरी वॉइस है तो बोलेगी यस मैम क्लास 1 फर्स्ट बी मैं बनी हूँ
Okay. Great.
Very
You
good.
matter, beta. Happy Dashera to you.
दुर्गा दुष्टों का संहार करती है माँ दुर्गा राक्षसों का नाश करती हैं माँ दुर्गा ने महिषासुर का संहार किया था हर नारी के अंदर माँ दुर्गा है
बहुत बढ़िया. Very
Very
good,
nice. बहुत
Prasiddhi.
अच्छा. Okay, anybody is left? Happy
Happy
Dashera.
Dashera to you.
Please unmute Sufia, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Wonderful performances. Well, now children, you all have done very well. Even in this tough time, we all have managed to organize our very first virtual program. And I'm very delighted to see, to say your contribution and your cooperation made it successful. But children, we are very pleased to say that your efforts and your hard working are amazing. And special thanks to parents also. Last but not least, heartfelt thank you to whole organizing body. Now the celebration begins. Enjoy your holidays. But at the same time, keep yourself safe also. Okay?
We also have one of our eminent guests with us, Miss Supriya ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanchan Singh ma'am, please unmute yourself. We all are waiting eagerly for your beloved love to share with us. Okay, Kanchan Singh ma'am, I guess there's some
she's
technical
unable.
error. Supriya ma'am.
And our
I will
principal sir is
request
also there.
Supriya
Ragini
ma'am.
sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
everyone. Good morning, students. Really, today's your performance is awesome. Really, student, you all have done a very good performance today, and I appreciate my all teaching staff, those who have taken initiative to perform. Hello, hello.
Yes,
Are
ma'am,
you
you are
getting my
audible.
voice?
Yeah, I'm audible. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
continue.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate my teachers, those who have trained my children so well. Really, a big round of applause for you all. And thank you, parents. I hope you all have enjoyed a lot. I wish on behalf of all my entire team, happy Dashera to you all. Thank you. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you.
Thank you, students.
Thank you.
God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you
Ma'am.
so much, ma'am, for your wonderful words. Wish all of you a very happy Dashera. Stay at home, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you,
Yes, beta.
everyone. Thank you, parents. Thank you, dear students, for your lovely performance. Thank you, everyone. If I have missed anybody's name, please forgive me. And I once again wish all of you happy Dashera.
Yes, beta.
Soumya
We
ma'am?
will share in your WhatsApp group. If यदि किसी का भी छूट गया है, you can see from there.
Soumya ma'am, please end the meeting.
Everyone
we
wave
have-
your hand, say bye-bye, happy
Yeah.
Dussehra to each other.
Happy Dussehra.
Happy Dussehra to you all.
Happy Dussehra, everyone. Happy
everyone.
Dussehra.
Bye-bye, your
Enjoy your
friends,
holidays.
everyone.
Everyone.
Students.